Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's a good morning, actually morning. I just hope everyone is doing great. You woke up well as well. And yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day, another vlog, of course. Today I'll be doing it's gonna be a mixture. I'll be cooking as well, I'll be cleaning as well my sitting room, and I will show you guys. So I thought of trying these tea leaves. I don't know if it's called tea leaves or what, because me in my layman's language I call it majanlum. So I don't know how you call it on in your language, but I want to try making black tea using these leaves that you can see on your screen. And guys, I hope I've tried it once, but I thought of today of preparing it on my own. And so yeah, let's get into the video. Of course, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, subscribe as well to my channel. Today being on a Saturday as well, I'm doing the laundry. I started this about an hour ago, and I know it's almost, guys, and yeah, that is part of what I'm doing for today. So I will be cleaning up the whole sitting room area, and this is how the kids left the room. It was so messy. Matoys zimejaa kila mahali, zingine ziko chini ya kiti. Guys, I'm going to share with you how I normally do the cleaning just in this room, in the sitting room. Yeah, wiping the windows and the rest of it. In the kitchen, I'll start by preparing the black tea. I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare this amazing is it a meal? Yeah, it's part of a meal, of course. So I've added some water. This is in majani, the green tea, in majani tea ya kawaida that we normally use in milk tea or wherever, hata iwe black tea. So I'm going to wash them, thorough wash them juu nimezitoa nje. Huko nje kuna vumbi, there's a lot of dirt outside, so I have to clean them first. The lid and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, as I try cleaning the sofas, wiping the tables, and a lot more. tea. I've prepared the black tea as well, and now I'm preparing the porridge for the kids before they wake up. At least they find something. At least when they wake up, they find something to drink. At this point, I'm done with the laundry, and yeah, I'm gonna wipe these later in the day. And it only took 2 hours, let me just say maximum of 2 hours to get done with the laundry process. And now it's time for mopping the house, and I'm not going to use the stick because I need to like mop under the chairs, like everywhere, just each and every corner. Every corner that I'm going to come across, I'm going to mop it. That's why I'm using the rag that you have seen inside the bucket. And guys, I'm done mopping the sitting room area, and this is the final look. This is the final look after everything, after doing the cleanings, sweeping, wiping the window, paint, just around the television area, like doing everything plus mopping. So, and this is what I had to share with you today as part of the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share as well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And yeah, that's it for today, and see you guys on the next video.